So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can make money online through Redbubble like these guys here. We'll mainly be talking about how you can find niches that will also give you a chance to get listed on the first page. So if you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click that subscribe button with the notification bells turned on. If you want extra information, I have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, as well as a paid step-by-step guide if you're looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. But for today, I've got a little quick challenge. I'm going to give myself 2 minutes and I'm going to try to see how many niches I can find in 2 minutes. I've done this in the past where it was 5 minutes, but yeah, I thought why not step it up to show you how easy it really is. Right, so I've just jumped onto Redbubble to show you the method I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be coming onto the search bar, typing a letter. I won't be going through the first few keywords that I recommended, mainly because when you do this, I'll show you exactly what happens. Sometimes there's quite a lot of results, but when you click on some of the designs and you check the tags, usually they look like this. If you go into a niche and you see a lot of people putting tags like this, your chances of ending up on the first page are going to be very, very low, because spam taggers literally just fill that first page. Right guys, so the aim is to find as many niches as I can, hopefully without too many people spam tagging. So I'm gonna get the timer ready. Right, so we're gonna start this challenge in 3, 2, 1 and now. So I'm gonna start from the back. So I'm gonna put Z E. Right, so there's I love New Zealand there. That could be something to work off. I want to go for niches with less than 1,000 results. So this is just over. Flag of New Zealand, New Zealand tourism, New Zealand scenery. I don't really want to go for anything that involves pictures too much. I want text-based designs, or designs that could be made into text-based, so I won't stick around here for too long. We'll go Y, then we'll go E. Yes, all over myself. Okay, I ain't saying that on YouTube. Yeah, but I did ask. I'm not too sure what this is to do with, but boom, we've got the first one in there. Duplicate. So it's nearly been a minute when we've only got one, but I've still managed to find one with not too much competition. Nothing usually comes up for X, so I'll skip that. Welcome home, Ronaldo. I guess this is something people can go into, but you just can't put a picture of Ronaldo. Things like this are usually okay with silhouettes, so I'm going to include that because welcome home Ronaldo doesn't have a trademark on it. I did add this in a top 10 trends of the week video, so you could say it's cheating, but I did find it just through this method just now, so I'm still going to count it. Skipping letters, I'm just trying to get in as many things as I can. Oh, there's some dark things in there. Teachers Day quote. Wow, that's too many. I've got 20 seconds left. Can I get one in? Random letter F, L, flower world. I don't know if this is trademarked. The lovely flowers, romantic flowers. I don't think I'll get away with anything to do with flowers. There'll be too many results, and that's the time up. I only found 2 in 2 minutes. If you're moving at this rate per average in an hour, you can technically find 60 different niches if you're using this method. If you're finding niches like the one I just showed you, the one that says yeah but I did ask, there's only 204 results here. Your chances are vastly increased of actually getting on the first page. Like this design, simple text design, which I'm pretty sure most of you could easily make. If we look at the tags, you know, they're nothing too crazy. There's a few of them and it's not spammed out with spam tags like the example that I showed you before. So this method does work, and in this day and age you still can get yourself listed on the first page of Redbubble to increase those sales. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click this video, as I'm sure you enjoyed that one as well. Comment down niches if you've made it this far, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.